And we have step 1, how to find the right YouTube shorts to upload. And step 2, how to copy and paste the actual YouTube short. Step 3, how to get views for your YouTube short. And step 4, how to make money with, I'll let you know that later, along with a simple bonus software that will make this a lot easier, and it's a different kind of method than what I am showing you. And we have step 1, how to find the right YouTube shorts to upload. So I have this channel pulled up here. It is a YouTube shorts channel, Sebastian K22 Shorts, and he has 877,000 subscribers. Now all Sebastian here is doing is uploading scary stories, creepy facts, creepy videos, all scary, creepy kind of stuff, you know. Now if we go over to the about section here, we can see this channel was started in February 9th 2021, and he has 629 million views. That is insane. We're going to quickly look at the social blade here, and we can see over the past 30 days 6.7 million, down 60%, but that is still an insane amount of views. As we can see here, he is getting a couple of 100,000 views every single day, which is insane. And these videos are quite easy to replicate, as I just showed you here. Creepy stuff, scary stuff, weird kind of stuff, and I'm going to show you how you can find videos like this in the next one. And we have step number 2, how to actually copy and paste the YouTube shorts. So we have this website here pulled up, Listverse, and what it does is it gives you list of different things. For example, creepy lists, weird lists, scary lists. So you can use this to build your videos around, and here I just have one pulled up, 10 more haunted landmarks around the world. Now, how are you actually going to go about making these videos? Well, one way here is using this software here called Canva software, free website. All you have to do is sign up and then enter TikTok videos, and we're going to go here and click a blank one. Now all we're going to do is actually use these lists to create our own videos. Now it's pretty simple to use. Canva, it is very easy to use. All you're going to want to do is go to photos, for example, and type in something like creepy, and here you go. It comes up all these type of images. You can drag one over there, and you can easily use text here, and we can throw in a quick bit of text here. We go back to the list, ancient ram in, and we're going to grab that one and copy it, and we're going to throw it back in here. Now if you want to make this text look a bit better, there is a good font I like to use, this one here, Litria 1, don't know how you say that, but we'll go with it. And if we pull it up here, we can make it look a bit better. And of course you want to number each one as you're going. You want to lift it off the page, give it a bit more of a little hop to it, so it stands out a bit better. And of course you can find better images and all that, but I'm going to show you another way how you can actually grab these YouTube shorts and get better ideas and more views in the next step. But quickly, I just want to show you this website here, pixels.com, and you can find photos on here too, which are free to use. They have quite cool ones here. As you can see, this one, it is quite cool. So we're going to get into the next step, and I'm going to show you how you can make more of these YouTube shorts and get more views and ideas. And for step 3, how to get more views for your YouTube shorts, what we're going to do is actually go to YouTube for this, and you're going to set these filters. This month for the upload date, type video, duration under 4 minutes, and over here view count. Now what this is going to do is it's going to bring you up the most popular YouTube shorts of the past month for your search term. For example, I typed in here scary facts, and as we can see, down here, just get rid of that. As we can see here, creepy facts you didn't know. So what you can do is recreate this video. It's quite simple. These facts are easily found online. You can just literally Google what this guy is saying and make your own faceless YouTube short with it. And you can go search the other search terms like haunted house, weird stuff, weird facts, all that type of stuff, and make them in Canva. Now if you want to get some music for the background of your YouTube short, you can also just use YouTube audio library, I believe it is called, and that is just inside the actual YouTube app once you're uploading the short via mobile, or you can download them via desktop. Once you are in the YouTube app, you can download from audio library, find some scary music to throw in the background, and you are good to go. Now, how do we actually go about making money with these YouTube shorts? That's what I'm going to show you in the next step. And before we get into step 4, I just quickly want to show you that bonus software I was talking about. As you can see here, 3-click software makes us 528 every day posting lame 15-second videos. Now this is called Tube Tornado, and what this is going to do, if we check right here, it's going to find and use other viral videos or add your own script. So this is going to generate the videos for you. You can find people's videos or add your own script and it will generate you a video. As you can see here in step 2, with one click our AI turns it into an attention grabbing, highly engaging and profitable YouTube short video, and then you can start earning. Obviously this may take some time, but it's gonna knock out the time that you would have spent creating these all yourself in Canva. So I just thought I'd throw in that little bonus software. I do have it down below in the description. It is an affiliate link. It won't cost you anything extra to buy, but you know, I do earn a commission from that, so take that how you want. But I have used Tube Tornado and I do enjoy it. It makes life a lot easier. So we're going to get into step 4 now. And for step 4, how to make money with YouTube shorts. Now if we quickly go back to this example we were looking at, Sebastian K 22 shorts, and we go to his community tab, he is missing out on a lot of money here. Once you unlock the community tab with your YouTube shorts, you should be posting on here every single day. And what you should be doing is polls, stuff like that, images, engaging kind of stuff. And every maybe 2 or 3 days, you should be posting these kind of offers. If we go to affplus.com, you can sign up here for free and you can get these CPA offers. And what that means is every time someone signs up, for example, for a free gift card, you will earn a commission based on that, just for signing up with an email, for example. And the other website here we have is CPA Grip. This is another good one here, and all you're going to be doing is looking for a good offer on here that you think the audience will like. Perhaps a free PayPal gift card giveaway, and once they sign up with their email, you will earn a commission of around $2, for example, for that offer, I believe it is. And this guy here is really missing out, because you can be putting this on your community tab and the first pin comment in your description on your YouTube shorts. So this has been how you make money copy and paste in YouTube shorts. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, drop a subscribe for more videos like this one.